AMMB Group, ladies and gentlemen and members of the media, good afternoon and welcome to the launch of AmAsia Pacific REITs Plus. And now without further ado, I'd like to invite Datin Maznah to deliver the speech.
Senior management of the AmInvest Group, members of the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, and on behalf of AmInvest, it gives me great pleasure to bid all of you a warm welcome. Following the outstanding performance of our first in-house managed real estate investment trust fund and strong growth prospects for Asia Pacific's real estate, we are pleased to introduce AmAsia Pacific REITs Plus, herein known as the fund. The fund offers investors convenient access to the property sector by investing in REITs as well as equities in the real estate sector. The fund aims to provide regular income and, to a lesser extent, capital appreciation over the medium to long term. We have a strong track record of managing a similar fund in terms of category, type, and investment objective, AmAsia Pacific REITs, which we launched in July 2011. AmAsia Pacific REITs, since its inception and as at 31st of May 2013, has generated returns of almost 33%, 32.9% actually, which beats its peers' average returns of 28.2% under the equity sector real estate Asia Pacific fund category, comprising 5 funds. This translates to yearly returns of 16.4% per annum over the same period for Asia Pacific REITs, AmAsia Pacific REITs. The key difference between the fund and our previous AmAsia Pacific REITs offering is that the new fund will also invest in real estate equities, which have higher potential for growth compared to merely REITs investments. In addition, our capabilities have also been acknowledged. Earlier this year, we clinched the most prestigious award in the Malaysian funds management industry at the Edge Lipper Malaysia Fund Awards 2013 for the Best Overall Fund Group Award, which recognizes our consistent outperformance across asset classes. Ladies and gentlemen, by investing in AmAsia Pacific REITs Plus, investors can enjoy the best of both worlds, income and growth. REITs are generally able to provide investors with a stable source of income, as REITs are structured to distribute a potentially high percentage of its income to shareholders via dividend payouts. Investors can get exposure in property investments with a potentially lower cost of capital compared to investing in a property directly. In addition, investors can enjoy the benefits of diversification through the fund, both across Asia Pacific and into different REITs subsectors such as residential, commercial, and industrial. Both Asian REITs and real estate equities have performed well over the past 3 years. Real estate equities and Asian REITs have more than tripled and doubled the returns of Asia Pacific equities, with returns of 68.6% and 44% respectively, against returns of 21.3% in the generic sector, in the generic index. The outlook for the real estate sector in Asia Pacific is encouraging, underpinned by positive long-term demographic trends, including rapid urbanization and a fast-rising middle class. Despite a global slowdown, Asia is still expected to chart the highest gross domestic product growth, GDP, in the world. Real estate is the beneficiary of Asia's growth story, and our latest offering capitalizes on the catalysts of a booming sector. Ladies and gentlemen, AmAsia Pacific REITs Plus has an initial offer price of 50 cents per unit, with an initial offer period running from the 1st until the 21st of July 2013. The minimum and additional investments are 1,000 ringgit and 500 ringgit respectively. The fund is distributed by all AmBank branches, Private Banking, CIMB Bank, Hong Leong Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, and OCBC Bank. On behalf of AmInvest, I would like to extend my appreciation to the media, as well as our distributors, for providing us the opportunity to bring you innovative investment solutions to capitalize on opportunities in a changing world. Lastly, thank you to all present for making today's event a success. Thank you.
Thank you, Datin, and I'd like to invite Datin to the launch area to be joined by Mr. Andrew Wong, Chief Investment Officer Equities, AmInvest, Mr. Ng Zihao, Director Retail Funds, AmInvest, and Encik Badrul Hisham Abdullah, General Manager Wealth Management and Deposit Sales, Retail Banking, AmBank.
What is it like?
Okay.
Stable.
Tim macam biasa, Tim borak-borak sikit ke, bincang sikit pasal benda ke.
I said you overweight.
Salam sikit, Tim.
Salam Tim, shake hand.
Rapat sikit, rapat sikit.
Dia